Kapatisi TV. ICFA University Meghalaya is now open for admissions for the academic year 2025. Explore our best courses and apply today. Fee concessions are available for domiciled students of the state of Meghalaya.
Kinong yok ba Shongdie Madan Ïewduh ki Phuhmut Phuhmat hadin baka Sorkar kelai sngom hai ki marsh po Hajar tingka. Kibla register baro bat ke hima milim kidan saus pak laingot hagba lasam ye ki baro marsh po Hajar tingka. Minti rang ba ka jelau kontrak ki sangma ulong baka ni jing ai jingarap kamut baka Sorkar ke pin Shongdie ke pisa kum ke skim ni da kumwe pan Hendri ula keren syai baka ni jingarap ka dak ban pin baka Sorkar ka dan ringkat bat ki baka deru kadak baka Sorkar ka ai minsim kana makin nang kiu shu haki kam ki jam jongki ulo ang ba ya ka pisa on pen poi bet direct syaka account jongki bat naga benta kitu ki bampat dep register ru ula kintu makin late register no haki hima milim kana makin dep yo ya kani ka jingarap
Bahaya sembur misteri dan bahaya pakai ke arus bernafas sisinya bahalang dahar yang sebahaya kong empering do MLA pakai ke information and population yang sebahaya bak sanbor sulai MLA sebahaya taksi
ni kasingi omba ni sno sarang bahaya ke jingli akut ndai habang ni pek pada ni don kamken banเป็นคุยตั้งหายังละจ้องเลยฮะปอจะกาบริวันกันนี่กับเปลี่ยนจาจะมีเรื่องนี้ดอนกำบันเป็นคุยเป็นสุบาหมอแต่กันนี่แกบักเล่กอเมนก็ลองกับบันวันinvest แล้วเนี่ยก็วันเป็นลุดกับพิซซ่าจงกะนั่งบากันกับอิมลังสะลังจงพีมีเป็นลุดปอดหายโยปลัดยากาพระได้กันตามันก็สนี่บัดกันนี่ก็จะกาบังอีชงมีสมายกะเลมีเป็ดยาโกมมีเป็ดกินาลาบารอบัดมีนิโยอีบังอีดอนคัมซิชาบันวันไรตะกะจิงกะลาบลาดะกะวันกะฮาเดียนบลาวันไรนี่จิงกะลาอินเซโยอีบักะจิงกะลาดอร์จังกันกะโยบัดลาดะกะกะลาดอร์กะโยกะมดกันดอนบนกิบรีกะบัดวันบลาฮะบาวันบนบากิบรีกะบมดบากันดอนกะจิงคิวกะโยกะกอดกะจงพีบัดฮาเดียนบลาคิวกะโยกะกอดจงพีอีคนที่จงพีรุกินังคิวบัดฮาเดียนบกิคิวคนจงพีกินวันเบียงบันเป็นบาชุๆอีกันนี่กะจักะบัดกันยายกุมตาปลุนตัดหดบาบารอนี่นางยาคิวอีรัต
It is not really about just the money or just the scheme that we are giving. I think the larger message is about dignity. It is about the fact that government would like to tell you that what you are doing is also something very important. What you're doing today is you are earning your livelihood for your family and your dignity is there. The message is that the government is with you and standing by you in small ways, in big ways, to do and to support you in whatever possible way to enhance your livelihood and take you forward. So the larger message, as I said, it's not about the money, it's not just about the scheme, but it is about dignity and it is about the message from the government that we will work together with you and take this forward. So today is a very small token. We are starting with a 10,000 rupee token for all the registered vendors who have registered with the HIMA Millium. And those who have not registered, please register so that you can also avail this scheme. And I also want to share with you that this money is something that we wish to transfer directly into your account. So it will be a DBT, direct benefit transfer. And therefore I request all of you to please give your bank accounts to the HIMA. When we get the bank accounts, this money will be debited or given credit to you directly to your bank account so that there is no transaction issue and no need to give checks, nothing. Directly the money will go into your accounts. And as mentioned by Honorable Deputy CM, the management of Ïewduh market is not something that government will intervene. We are not here to disturb or to regulate Ïewduh market. Please don't think that we are asking for registration to find out how we can regulate. No. We are here to help. And as a government, for us, we cannot do schemes and give money without a proper system. And therefore, a system has to be created. And therefore, this registration is being done to help us create a system, a registration which will be maintained and managed by the Hima Milim, and government will not interfere in the day-to-day functioning of the market area. But more importantly, it will also help the Hima also to know who are the regular vendors and who are the vendors who are coming every now and then and going away. I think this will help the overall management for the Hima Milim to manage the Ïewduh market in a much better manner. And in the long run, we are starting with 10,000 rupees as a one-time grant to all of you who are registered. Some who have not registered, don't think you're left out. You have time, you can register after you complete the formalities with the Hima. And once that is done, then you will also get the one-time transaction of the grant that we're giving. And slowly and steadily, as we move further and as we incorporate other urban markets, because if you remember, this is a scheme called the Chief Minister's Urban Livelihood Grant Scheme. So this is for all urban municipal areas around the state, wherever there are market areas. Our idea is to help the street vendors, to help the different hawkers and support them in financial ways or whatever way government can. So this scheme has been created for that. And as we move along, I am hopeful that we will be able to help and support you in many, many other ways in the days to come.
Marwei. Silvina Elkinshi. Sotun. Nila Sotun. From Nila Sotun. I request Honorable Chief Minister to also hand out the umbrella. Terminal di bro. Kumpa fi platform deh bro. Ni thafti na butai kong baru ramajau.
Wat penleno yakni kakabu ki sopti etho ki babha bat Shongdor nadu sao po Hajar hadu hnriu po Hajar tingka menta phila banyo hakador lai po Hajar tingka ya ki sopti etho ba Shongdor hinyo po Hajar chaneng pinyo tang san po Hajar tingka tang kata ka wei ki sopti ka de ka wei ki design tang na ka benta jongpi wan jet nok loi na molai moro bat na mot pran po no menta hau khandai sao lai hnriu san pra hinyo lai pra